Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years. In this video series, we're going to show you a couple of quick how-to repairs on a 5680 that you can do yourself to eliminate the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so changing out your pad drivers and your pads are very easy if you need to do this. What you do is you rotate the pad driver that's on the machine already till you see the clips in the door here on the deck. Pinch the clips together, and the pad driver comes off. Lift up the deck a little, slide your pad driver out. Okay, when you order your pad drivers, this is what you're gonna get. This is the non-OEM pad driver. It's the cheaper of the two. If you ordered the OEM, this is what you're gonna get. Now with the non-OEM, what you wanna do is add a clutch plate to your order as well, because you'll need that as well. Swapping out the pads, grab your clutch plate, pull that off, take your pad off, put your new pad on, and replace the top part of the clutch plate. Okay, the way to install your pad driver, simple, it's the same way you took it off. Lift the deck up just a little bit, slide your pad driver into the gimbal, reach through the deck door, grab and pinch your two clamps, lift it up, let it go, make sure it's on there good and tight. That's it. Once again, my name is Keith. Be sure to visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com for the parts listed in this video for this machine and thousands of other machines, plus how-to guides and parts diagrams. Stay safe and thanks for watching.